In this video, you'll learn how to find your phantom wallet address. By following these steps, you will be able to locate and copy your wallet address for use in transactions. Begin by opening the Phantom extension on your browser. If you have not yet installed the extension, ensure that you do so from your browser's extension store and pin it to your toolbar for easy access. Once the extension is open, look for the Receive button on the main interface. This button is typically located in the center of the screen and is clearly labeled. Click on Receive to proceed to the next step. After selecting Receive, a new window will appear showing your wallet address. At this point, you will also have the option to choose the network for which you want to receive funds. It's important to select the correct network to ensure that your transactions are processed accurately. Click on the network drop-down menu to see the available options. Choose the network that you wish to use, such as Solana or Ethereum. Make sure to verify that you are selecting the correct one, as sending funds to the wrong network can result in loss of assets. Once you have selected the desired network, you will notice your wallet address displayed prominently. To copy the address, simply click on the Copy button located next to it. This action will automatically copy the address to your clipboard, allowing you to paste it wherever necessary for transactions. It is advisable to double-check the copied address before using it to ensure that it has been accurately transferred. Also, consider the network fees and processing times associated with the network you have selected, as these can vary significantly. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.